So hello guys. So for today, I'm going to show you or share with you some tips on how to pass the basic roof exam. So let's start. Guys, take note when working on the training exam, always check what is inscribed on the banner. Okay. So we only need to fix for this one. So it says so actually this is the first task. So all we need to do is to capture structures within the mask. So if we check this out, if we check this one, the box, it will show us the missing two buildings. So we need to capture these two missing buildings. Okay. And the rest we can ignore them. Okay, so let's capture this one. So guys, short introduction on the roof project. Our goal is to capture the roof surface itself. So the base, it does not matter if we have multiple base, as long that we capture the roof properly. So the right image, I'm sorry, the left image is for drawing. Oh, so all drawing shall will be happening on this part of our view. The right is for matching. Okay. So we have multiple views, guys. When drawing, we have multiple views. If you check this one, so as you can see, we have multiple views. So the purpose of this is to give us a better chance to match and to um, captured up our image properly. Okay, so we can adjust the view. And I suggest when choosing your views, you select views that has different orientation. So for example, like this one. Okay, so this is our target building, and we can select other views or avoid using views such as this one, uh, top center view. So we should avoid using that kind of view, guys. Okay. So again, use this one. The blue corner, it represents our border or our left image, and the red is for our right. So if you want to change our right, just select an image and then press right click, okay, to change your image. As you can see, it changed. So, but for this one, I'm sorry, it's cropped. So we need to check. We need to find other views. So we can try this one. So I think this should be good enough. Next is drawing. Okay, when drawing, guys, do not use S tool. Never, never, never use S tool. Okay, so we need to have a parallel base. So we will use either F or we can use E, like so. Okay, and then we can just adjust using X, like so. So after we have done tracing the base, guys, it needs to be precise, okay? So small errors on your base can have big consequences on your panels later. So it needs to be precise. Next is for matching. When matching, you just drag it to its proper location. Like so, adjust, and this should be good enough. Next is to drag the wall. Guys, when dragging your wall, it also needs to be precise. So you can drag it on the left, you can drag it on the right panel. It does not matter as long that you drag the wall properly. Okay, so it needs to be precise. So after we have done our base, we captured the ridge. What is a ridge? So these are ridges. This one. So uh, this will serve as an anchor point for all of our panels. So how to capture the ridge? We will use the assist line. So press 9 and then like so, copy the direction, wait for it to highlight again, and then just space, and then just drag. So what is the assist line? What is the use of an assist line? So it is an imaginary line. It will serve as an anchor point for all of our panels because if we do not have an assist line, we cannot draw it directly. Okay, so as you can see, uh, it snaps to the assist line. So when drawing your panels, you need to use S tool. Okay, so you cannot draw here. All drawings will be happening on the left area. So draw it like so. See? So, and then for this one, we need to add another assist line here. So we cannot just draw it like that. So it's better to add an assist line. Again, it will serve as a guide for us so that we will have a uniform or a parallel line. So, Okay, so let's check. I think it is correct. Let's check 3D mode. So for 3D mode, guys, just hold your center mouse, press W and hold your center mouse, and then just rotate. Okay, like so. And then to reset, press O. Okay. So as you can see, it is red. So what does red mean? It means that this panel is still open. So if we check our mask, see, it's still open. So we will close that later. So all panels that have red, all buildings that have red panels on them, it is wrong. So we need to close every panel. Okay, so do not submit a task that has red panels on them. So for this one, we will draw. Okay, so it's purple. What does purple mean? Purple, it means that the panel is not parallel with your wall. So it needs to be parallel with your wall. So we can just fix that later on. So first, we need to capture this panel. Okay, so as you can see, this panel is connected to this one. So we will just use the assist line, press 9. Wait for it to highlight like so. The highlight, it means it's connected to this panel. Then copy the direction. So it's a bit off again. So as you can see, it's already adjusted since we have connected to this panel. So we do not need to we do not need to adjust it anymore. Again, guys, take note your assist line is unlimited. So okay, so for this one, I cannot seem to. You can just drag it to its proper. Let's see. Okay, so the broken lines, guys, it means it's inserted. So we can just fix that later. Okay, it's inserted to this panel, so no worries. Draw. So as you can see, it's broken. Okay, broken lines, it means the lines might be uh, on the back or it is inserted. If you check the 3D view, it is inserted. So this is wrong. This is still wrong. We will just fix that later. Okay. Next is to capture this one, this panel, like so, and then we need to close. And lastly, we will group. So to group, select one panel and then press 4. So again, select one panel, press 4, and then press J. So if you group a building, it will automatically disappear. So for it to reappear, just press J, okay? So again, group, and then we will use the autofix function. So the autofix will remove this red and then fix this purple. So hopefully it will fix this too. But it's not 100% guarantee that it will fix the building, okay? So let's try to fix this. Press 4 and then press F4. F4 is for auto fix. So let's try. Okay, so as you can see, the purple panels disappeared. So it means that our panels is already aligned with our base. Okay. So let's remove the extra purple, blue panels, extra assist line, and then let's capture this one. So to capture this one, let's adjust again. Use your right image as a reference for your drawing. So let's see other views. So from time to time, guys, check other views, okay? Don't stick with one view. Check this one. Let's see if it's correct. Okay, so I think it's correct. Let's check one more. Always rotate views from time to time. So it's a standard for us to select other views from time to time. So let's check this one. Okay, so it's correct. Next is we need to capture this one. So use an assist line, make sure it highlights like so. So again, if it highlights, it means it's connected to this area right here. Adjust like so. So we can let's extend our line a little bit more. So it does not matter if it's extended, no. So we can just use the auto fix later for that area. So capture it like so. And use the and I mean close. So again, we will group, select group, and then press 4. Sorry, F4. Okay, so we have fixed the building. Okay, and it should look like this. And lastly, we need to capture the corners. So what are corners? These are corners, guys. So it is the gap between the wall and the roof itself. So Normally, a roof will have a space, okay, for that so that rainwater won't hit the walls directly. Okay, so they will have a small gap, so that will be our corner. That will be the area where we will place our corner. Okay, so when placing corners, guys, I suggest you pick views that have similar orientation. So first, we need to put the assist line here. So okay, so we have okay again. So for the first line, it should be eye view of the what do you call this of the corner, and then for the right, it will be the actual location. We need to insert this one to the inside of the actual corner. As you can see, my line is inserted. Okay, my assist line is inserted. So here, just adjust. You will you will adjust your assist line to the actual location of the panel of the corner. So again, so for this one, just the outside or eye view, and then actual location, insert like so, and then press I to capture the corner. So press I, see, and then draw it like so. And we have our corner. If you check on 3D view, it is inserted. So all corners should be inserted, guys. So I have a corner guide for you to check. Just check our training materials and it should be there, okay? And lastly, you do not forget to group and then press Alt R. So Alt R, it will open our final result. So same with our transportation and our center line, we need to check the final results of the building. So it should look like this. As you can see, we cannot see the base below. So it does not matter if you have multiple base. As long that we capture the roof properly, then we are good to go. Okay, so it should look like this. No red panels, no purple panels, and we have captured the corner. Okay, so guys, hope this helps and thank you for watching.